Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. My name is Nathalie, I'm an architect and I'm here to help you learn everything you need to know to start using Photoshop. This course is for beginners. We are going to work step by step through practical examples to learn all the tools and necessary features. For this course, you don't need to have any previous photography, Photoshop or design knowledge. We are going through cropping pictures, resizing, mastering layers, correcting imperfections, removing imperfections, correcting colors, and many other things too. It's time to get started. Join me to the screen now.
What can you actually do with Adobe Photoshop? You can create anything you can imagine. 1. Edit photos, enhance colors, add contrast. You can adjust sharpness, blurriness. You can retouch an image to turn it into a magazine style or magazine quality. You can add someone to an existing image, or you can remove someone. You can fix up old photographs. You can crop an image any way you like. You can combine multiple photos into one photo. You can create digital paintings. You can use Photoshop in web design. You can use it in graphic design. You can make GIF. You can use photos for video editing. First of all, you have to download the software. Opening Photoshop for the first time can be overwhelming. In this first tutorial, we take our first look at Photoshop interface with a general tool of its layout and features. We have the menu bar at the very top that shows the file in which we can open an existing image or an existing Photoshop file, or we can create a new file or a new image from scratch. We can import any file too. We have the edit. The edit is that we can use it for undo. Edit to undo the last thing you did, or you can press Ctrl Z to redo the last thing you did too. To undo multiple steps, you can click the edit and step backward multiple times. We also have the image where we have the mode. We can adjust the mode, the adjustment. We can turn a picture into a black and white picture. And we have auto tone, auto contrast, auto color, and many other things too. We have the layer. Here we can create a new layer, we can duplicate a layer, we can delete a layer, we can arrange layers. We have the type. But with the type you can make changes and adjustments to text. We have the select. You can select a specific part of a photo. We have the filter. You can apply blurs, noise, sharpening, and other effects. We have the 3D. You can adjust settings for 3D elements. We have the view. You can change. You can show rulers, guides. You can clear guides. You can zoom in, zoom out. You have the window. You can choose the windows and tools you want to be visible. And we have also the help. You can get help using Photoshop and search to find specific tool or option you want. Now, under the menu bar, we have the option bar that displays here, that displays options for the tool you are currently working with. It changes as you select different tools. Some settings in the option are common to several tools, such as painting modes and opacity. For example, if we are using the brush tool, here we notice that the option bar has changed. You can change the opacity, and for example you can change the size of the brush you want to use. At the left here we have the tools. There are 5 main groups of tools separated by functionality. For example, A, the selection and cropping and measuring tools. B, we have retouching and painting tools. C, drawing and type tools. D, navigation. And E, foreground and background. Now let's mention some of these tools. We start by here the move or V, move selection or layers. Here the marquee tools that we can use it to make rectangular, elliptical, single row marquee, single column marquee selections. We have the lasso tools, makes freehand, polygonal, straight edged and magnetic selections. We have the magic wand tool. We have the cropping tool. We have the brush tool, the eraser, the zoom tool, the text tool, the rectangle draws the vector shape, and we can learn each of these tools in the next tutorials. And here in the middle of the screen we have the document window that will display the file you're going to work on. Multiple open documents show in tabs here in the document window. And here on the right side we have the panels. The layer panels is the foundation of Photoshop. This window display every layer. They will display here by creating the layers. The layer in your project, it shows the order in which they appear and give you the options to change how they interact one with the another. This is the introduction or a general tool to get to know Photoshop.